In this video, we are going to show you how to apply a PlayStation 4 skin to your gaming console. Make sure you are in a well-lit area before starting. Inside your package, you will find two cleaning kits and your selected design skins for your console. Let's begin by cleaning the device. Use the alcohol wipe and the dry cloth provided in the installation kit to remove any dust particles. Ensure the surface is completely clean before applying the skin. Now, peel the skin of the release paper and place it face down as shown in the video. Reattach the release paper slightly, leaving a small portion exposed at the top and sides. Flip the skin over again and align it with the logo and the console edges. Take your time. Proper alignment is important. Even if it sticks, you can remove and realign it. Our skins are reusable even after they have been applied. A quick note, avoid stretching the skin as this can cause misalignment. Once aligned, gently press the corners to secure the skin. Then slowly slide the release paper diagonally as shown, sticking the skin down step by step. Press gently with your hand as you remove the paper. See, it's simple and smooth. Now, flip the console over and we'll apply the skin to the opposite side. Peel the skin off the release paper and place it upside down as shown in the video. Flip it back and align it with the top and side corners. After aligning, gently press the corners. Then slowly slide the release paper diagonally and apply the skin step by step. Press gently as you go. If you notice any misalignment, you can remove and reapply it. Now for the final side pieces. Peel the skin from the release paper, align it carefully on the sides and gently press it into place as you go. All sides are applied the same way. If it's misaligned, you can remove and reapply it. Just do it gently. And that's it. Your gaming console now looks stunning with our Fomo Store skins.